this is the tricky part. So this time I'm using kibble, just regular kibble that's in her bowl. Well, that's her water bowl that she doesn't drink out of. And if I can get her to hold still while I go over her torso. Hold still. Stay. So of course I'm gonna step on the leash. Get some of that hair off the. I don't have a I don't know what happened to my clipper brush. Come here. Nope. See how she jumped up? That's the reason why. I step on the leash. Okay, let's see how she does. Come on, let me see. Let me see. Hold still. Good girl. Good girl. You see, I just went over it 3 times. Then I stop. Then I give her a treat as a reward for holding still for 2.5 seconds. No, don't eat the hair. She will chew on her hair. So I got to battle with her about that too. Because she'll pick it up off the floor. Okay. Come on, let's do it again. Good girl. Good girl. Leave it, leave it. Good girl. Good girl. She's letting me go over her torso. And that's what I want to do. I got some pieces. Let's see if she'll let me do it a little longer this time. Okay, hold still. Good girl. And then I'm going to stop. Look at me, I'm taking advantage now. Okay. Okay, she lasted just a little longer without tripping. All right. Now if you get a treat. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Okay. I need to move this. She don't like when I pull at her leash. So that you see how she was trying to fight me. I try not to pull at her leash. And some people ask me, like, why don't I use a harness? She actually has several harnesses. Leave it, leave it. Come here. Good girl. But she knows how to get out of them. She's a very smart breed. She knows how to wiggle her way out of the harness. I'm just doing this with my hand. Let me see. Good girl. Let me see. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so now she's like, stop. When she reach out to me, she's like, no. But at that point, I try to give her a treat. Let her know it's okay. It's not going to hurt. Now, I want to try to get her the rest of her torso. Look at she looking at me. And I want to get her head. Can I get your head? Let's do the head. Let's see how that works. Let me see. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. And she tends to bite at it when I do the head. Good girl. Look at that. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Let me see. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It was extremely matted on top here. Let me see. Nope, don't bite. Don't bite the clippers. Good girl. Good girl. Now, the top, I may need to use like a smaller guard because it's not taking much off. Took a little off the top. I kind of got the top of her face a little bit when she was biting the, not she trying to bite the cord. No. I got the top of her face when she was biting the tray, the peanut butter tray. But she was pulling at the tray, so I couldn't hold on to the tray and then clip it at the same time. So I let the tray go and let her have the tray. She won that tug of war. And then, but I did get a little bit off the top of her nose. So I'm gonna change this guard here. Clean this off really quick, and then we'll do some more off the top of her head. Okay, so the last guard I used, I think it was a 1/4. This is a, what is it? 1/8. Okay, so we'll use that. She's being very patient right now. Go ahead and give her a little kibble before we start. And then we'll go over it. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. No, don't bite. Don't bite at it. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. My feet is still on the leash. Come on. Good girl. Come here. Come on. I got it. I got it. Good girl. Come here. Come on. Okay, you don't want to be out here looking weird. Partial cuts. Look. Hold still. Okay. So, she's not budging. Come on. Sit. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. The object is to get her to trust you enough to do this. You gotta be patient. See, she got her head between my legs now, because she's like, okay, I'm gonna let you do it, but I don't want to watch. Okay, come on. Let me see. Good girl. It's okay. I think it's when she see it come towards her face, that's what freaks her out. Now she's sitting down. Okay, it's okay. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Be careful not to get her in the eye. That's why I go across. You see? Come here. Come here. No, no, no. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, kibble break. Good job. It look a hot mess, but we'll get it. We'll get it right. I'm gonna show y'all another trick of mine. Now Buttercup has some other treats that I like to use. They're biscuits, and these biscuits really tough, hard for her to chew. So I like to try these when I'm trying to get around her face and her head. I forgot to grab them at first, so we'll do it now. She's still trying to get to the biscuit. Nope, no jumping. Okay, hold on. You gotta wait. Good girl. And grab your leash. Put that on this side so I can step on it. Okay. Come on. We got the biscuit. Ah, don't bite my finger off. Ah, you see? Now I don't let the biscuit go. I just let her bite at it. Now, this is very. You can't be afraid. That no, leave it. Come here. Come here. Okay, this worked the last time, so let me get a little piece. I don't I don't want to give it to her yet. I want to get a few pieces of hair off before I actually let her have it. Okay. Come here. As you see, I just want her. Come here. I want her to reach for it without taking my finger off. Ah. Sit. 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 You gotta let me get the hair if you want the biscuit. Come on. Yeah. Gotta wait a few minutes because the clippers are getting warm. It's recorded. Okay, come on. Hold on. Let me see. At this point, I'm trying to make it fun for her so she won't be stressed out. I'll get the top of her head. Let me see. Let me see. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You get a big treat for that. You get the biscuit. Oh, good job. So I'm kind of teaching her that the longer she holds still, the more valuable the treat is. So I have a kibble, but then if she holds still longer, she get the biscuit. Oh, oh. You gotta hold still, okay? Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Look, it's okay. See? Come on. Hold still. Stay. 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 You're looking so pretty. Look at you. Oh, the cord getting tangled. Hold still. Hold still. She's holding my hand down. Hold still. Stop. Come here. It's okay. Come on. You know I gotta get under your ear. That's where you had a lot of matting at too. Okay. Oh my god. I've never known her to like bite me. Just nip at me. Kind of like, let me see. Look, you want the treat? Gotta hold still. I don't want her doing that either. So we're working on that. I'm just trying to get under her ear right. She had a lot of matting around here. It was very long, but matted at the same time underneath all the longer hair. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. So she's pretty much telling me like, okay, you need to give me the treat or I'm not letting you. Y'all see? She's a very smart dog. Come here. Come here. Come. Good girl. Let me see. Let me see. I want to take the leash off so I can really get under there. But then I won't have any control of her movement. You know I have treats in this hand, so that's the reason why she's like. Come on. Here. It might be better if you had somebody to help you. Maybe somebody hold the treat for you while you cut, or vice versa. And I wouldn't recommend doing this without a guard on, because as you can see, I'm kind of like, I'm cutting, but at the same time, like if I didn't have a guard on, it can really hurt her or cut her, and I don't want that. Good job. Good job. A lot of long hair. Come here. Let me see. Oh my God. Look, that's it. No more. Can I see your ear? Can I see your ear? Ouch. Buttercup, stop. Leave it. Can I see your ear? Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how I get under her neck. Look. 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 Good girl. I'm just gonna give her kibble because I'm gonna hold on to this because I don't have any more with me right now. It's all in the closet. Wait, nope. Leave it. Good girl. Let me see. Oh shoot, she got the guard. Oh, no you don't. I'm just going to use a regular brush to clean this. This is her own personal brush. And yes, it's a human brush. dog brushes, the only one I have this one, and I have a kind of a metal spike one like this, but it doesn't really do her justice, so I like the human brushes. Okay, come on. You see? Wait. Come here. Come here. Don't bite the clippers. Okay, kibble break. Let me see. Hard to really get under here because she has a leash on. So I'm gonna take the leash off. Let's see if that works. Wait. Let's see. Okay, the leash is off. Oh Lord. Ah. Don't jump at it. Let's see. Okay, kibble break. I got a really big chunk of hair off. So I'm happy with that. Come here. Let me see. Oh, she's getting agitated. Let her do her little scratchy thing. What's wrong? Come on. Here. Here. Come here. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Good girl. Good girl. That. Oh, my hair. Yes. You can literally make another dog with that. With the amount of hair I take off of her. You see? I want to move her ear, but she won't let me because she's trying to get to the tree. But oh, she's making me itch now. I'm definitely. Come here. Take a shower after this. Here. Come on. Okay, kibble break. Good job, girlie. Come on. Sit. Good girl. Let me see. Good girl. Let me see. Paw. Paw. That. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. I'm almost out of kibble. Let me get her limbs before I get out of it because I don't want to have to get any more kibble. Of course, I'm going to have to take her out because she done ate a lot of... Come here. Come here. Let me see. Let me see. Pa, come here. It's okay. Come here. Good girl. Pa, good girl. Come here. Pa, pa, good girl. Oh, you gotta stand. Come here, stand up. Come on. Pa, good girl. Hold still. Buttercup, stop it. Pa, pa, pa. Good, no. Pa, no. Pa, good girl. Come here. Pa, you only get the treat if you let me cut. Hold still. Sometimes you gotta improvise. Okay, you can lay down too. That works too. Stop it. You're so cute. Come here, come on. Good girl. Good girl. She had a lot of matting around her limbs as well. So she's a little, don't bite the cord. She gets a little nervous about that because I think it was very painful for me to get it off. So I definitely don't let her limbs get to that point again. I even had to use scissors to get some of the matting off because the clippers, it was so matted on her limbs, like around here, that even the clippers wouldn't go through it. It was pretty thick matting. Okay, now for the feet. She got her feet wrapped around me. Do her legs. She's not fighting me when she's laying down. She's laying down right now, y'all. She's on her back. I think she's real comfortable in that position. I almost feel like she's getting like a massage. She don't fight me because it hurts. She fight me because I don't know why she be fighting me so much about this. So I know it don't hurt. But if it hurt, oh, that'd be a whole different story. Okay, let me get the other leg. Come on. girl. Can I get those thighs? Come here. Come here. Good girl. Can I get the other one? Look. Come here. I don't want you to stand. Stand up. Come here. No, not up. Come here. Here. Stay up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up. I shouldn't say up. You're going to jump. Come here. I don't have a command for stand. Up. Up. No. I'm going to look. Here. 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 Stand up. Come here. Stay. 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 No. Leave it. Leave it. Come here. Let me see. Come here. Hold still. Hold still. Good girl. Hold still. Good girl. Oh, you almost finished with the kibble. Hold still. Come here. No, don't hold your leg up. Just hold still. Come here. Was that so bad? Oh, it was that bad, huh? You mad at me now? You smell good. Buttercup. Love you. Oh, you real mad. You big mad, huh? You all cut now. Can I brush you? Can I do that? Look, you short. You look good. Let me brush your hair. Let me see. Hey, look at my floor. Oh my God. And I just want to take a nap after spending like 2 hours. I don't know. I don't even know what time I started. Let me see it. Let me see it. Look, that's all I'm doing. Leave it. Leave it. That's it. Okay? Just brushing. Oh my God. Girl, you so extra. Stop. Let me brush it. See how I gotta fight with her just to brush her hair? You look so pretty. You look pretty. Can mommy have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Are you upset with me? No, not in the mouth, yucky. Nah. You're so cute. You're so cute. I don't got no more treats. And no, you cannot chew that. Let it go. That's it. That's it. That's all. Say bye to the people. You want to go outside and poop now? After all them treats you didn't eat? Look at you. You're so smooth now. Oh my God. Look at you, girly. You're so pretty. Pretty girl. I didn't get much of your face, but that's okay. It's still kind of short. It's still short. Okay. Until next time, next month, on the same day, you get another haircut. You sure am? You sure? Somebody's happy. It's all done. All right, you about to go in the crate so I can clean up. You and your little turtle friend. Buttercup, you ready? All right. Good girl. Good job. Give me a kiss. Okay, so I vacuumed all of the hair that was... Oh, it was a lot. So, if you take away... I had to change too because I took a quick shower. Put on some clean clothes because I had hair all over me. It was just everywhere. But yeah, my biggest takeaway from um, dealing with a puppy like Buttercup is, when it comes to grooming, and your puppy has a lot of hair. She's very fluffy. Her hair can grow as long as 6 inches. Um, Even longer in some parts of her body, like her head. Her hair used to cover, like she couldn't even see past the hair on her face. That's how much hair she had. And if you look at some of my old like photos or videos of her when I first got her, um, it's now what, November, so almost Thanksgiving, and I've had her since July, and she used to be like full body, about 6 to 8 inches of hair. And initially, when I cut her hair, it's because I didn't want to cut her coat because she has such a beautiful coat. Um, but I had to because there was a lot of matting underneath the very beautiful coat she had. So it had to go, and it took me a good 6 days just to get the um, all the long hair and the matting off, and that was a little, probably about a month ago. And now, so this is the first time I'm re-grooming her. So I'm grooming her again. Um, Now her hair did grow out just a little bit, but I'm planning to keep it short so she won't have such a big matting issue. Um, and as she shed, hair gets matted up inside the longer hair, so we don't want that, and it's hard to comb through that. So we're gonna keep her short haired. But if you take anything away from this video, if you do have a dog that has very long hair and it's very difficult for you to keep the hair, the shedding, from getting matted, have plenty of treats. And if you don't have treats, kibble would do. Regular grounded dog food would do as well. If you have one of those plates that I bought from Amazon, you can put the peanut butter on that. It works better if you have somebody that can help you. If you have someone that can hold the food up while you're cutting, or vice versa, that works better. But as you can see, I did all of that myself. I held the food up with one hand, and then I was clipping with the other hand. Always use a guard. to protect the dog. You don't want to mistakenly cut. Um, you don't want to cut too much hair off anyway, unless you want a very, very like super short haired dog, like typically what like a pit or a lab would, be very short haired. If you want that, then you probably want to use, cut very low. But with that, you definitely, if, with a big dog, you will definitely need somebody to help you, cut that low. But I never cut that low. I keep about an inch of hair on her entire body, at least. Um, Especially during the winter time, or actually all year long, because she sheds in the summer. She doesn't shed. Now let me rephrase that. She doesn't shed like a normal shedding would occur with an animal, where you see hair all over the place. She doesn't shed like that. See, the thing about her, when she sheds, it gets trapped, so the hair doesn't come out and it gets matted. So that's the reason why we're keeping it short. And um, if it does get matting, you may need to use some scissors. But if you use some scissors, don't cut too much off the top of the mat. Just nip at it. I will grab the hair, make sure I'm not grabbing her skin, and I would just grab a piece of the hair and then just cut at it, and then just pick at it with a pick, or and then just little pieces of the matted hair. That's how I did it, because the clippers wouldn't go through the matting. So I just cut pieces of it off, a little bit at a time. It took hours for me to do that. However, she doesn't have any matted spots throughout her body anymore, so it's okay. It's good. And uh, uh, it's very hard to get around her face. As you see, she bites at the clippers, and with that, it might be better if you have somebody to help you with that as well. Definitely use very uh, the good treats for that. You want to use the really good treats, the hard brittle biscuits. You know that way you hold it up over her face, and as she nipping at it, you can get around under her chin, you can get around her ear. But she had a lot of matting around here too. I was able to get her top of her head, um, and holding the food up. You can also get like around the top of her face, where her nose. Um, so definitely, hopefully, this helps if you have a dog who just the groomers, taking them to the groomers doesn't work out for you, and you have to do it yourself. And let me know what you think. You know, um, if you have any suggestions, anything that I can do differently, I would love to hear. Please post any comments. I would love to hear what you guys think. So that's my buttercup, and that's our grooming session. Once a month, babs twice. I do babs, um, maybe twice a week, sometimes once a week. Most of the time, once a week. But if she gets really dirty, like we go out somewhere, I'll do it twice a week. Um, Typically, I don't take her out too far, but so it's typically once a week on the baths, and that's the plan. Um, so again, you guys, that's it. That's it. That's all. That's the grooming session with the Buttercup puppy, my Buttercup. Peace.